Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Sorry for not being online and not being constant at the moment. Had a rough phase going on. Social media was taking a troll over me all over. So I didn't wanted that to affect me. Hence I took a break and here I am guys back with another look. I think you guys can see how bomb I look. Do I look? Comment down below. Let me know. Yeah, so in this look I have done some changes. I'm not gonna talk or like as I always do. In this video I have make sure that I'm gonna do a voiceover and I'm showing you how I did my skin with this eyes. It's step by step. I'm not gonna talk a lot in this video. It's just that for y'all to see. And happy pride, my soft take on doing a pride. If this is soft, kill me. Yeah, enjoy the video guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Hi guys, welcome. So let's start. So I'm putting my Desio contacts on. Here is my Fix Plus. I'm just gonna spray my face, hydrate my skin. And then I took my Moisturiser. I'm just gonna make sure my skin is nicely moisturized. Use the same technique. Make sure you warm the product, massage it into the skin, and there you go. Then next step, I'm gonna take my MAC primer. This is natural radiance. Again, take tiny little drops and apply it where you have the maximum open pores and massage it into your skin. Try blending it into your T-zone first and then go ahead. Then I take my two Huda foundations. I'm just gonna mix both and directly gonna pack it. I'm not gonna use circular motions or I'm not going to do all that. I'm just gonna make sure I'm just keep packing it on, and that's gonna give me maximum coverage. Here you can see I'm just just patting it on and I'm not doing anything else. Similarly, just make sure there are no brush strokes left on you. Usually I use my hands. These are my two favorite concealers. This is the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger, and the other one is Medium from Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just gonna work my way out and I'm just going to put it under my eyes, T-zone, that's my nose, bridge of my nose, forehead, and my cupid's bow and my chin. I'm then taking a flat brush and unpacking it on all over, making sure there are no brush strokes. Just keep on patting. Here I get too tired. Yeah, so next we move on to our powder. Laura Mercier powder, as always. This is not going to give me any color. This is a transparent powder and this is going to make sure my foundation and concealer is locked in. Powder is very important guys. Make sure you try and cover up all your face, because if there's no powder it's not gonna work. I'm taking my spiked brow pencil and I'm just gonna fill my eyebrows. Also I'm using a comb to just make sure to keep my brows in place, so I know where do I have to fill. Though I don't have to fill so much with my brows, but just want to frame them up. I'm using spike to just frame it up and add a little bit of more shape, since I don't I haven't shaved my brows up, so I'm using a pencil. Then I'm just going to take a brow mascara, which is actually going to be a color that's going to match my hair color, and it's going to make sure it's going to give me a feather-like finish and my brows look 10 times sexier and bushier than they are. Though I don't need to do much to my eyebrows, but I just like framing my brows a lot, so I just try to play around with my brows. I'm just telling you guys not to just, put them back in shape. Try to tilt it upwards. This is my NC46 powder and I'm just going to contour my face, and I'm just going to add the color on high planes on the areas that I want to push back and structure my face. Using my hand, just trying to show you the areas. My face is more oval. I'm just trying to blend that now and dance at the same time. Keep blending it till the time you don't see a soft look on your skin. I mean, just it does not have to look like a stark. Then I'm taking my Shape Tape concealer and I'm prepping my eyes. Usually I add paint pots, but I don't know why today I used Shape Tape. This is just going to give me a cover, like a base underneath, so that my eyeshadow holds on for longer time. And at the same time I'm using a flat brush. Here I'm using the Morphe palette. I'm taking a yellow and I'm trying to fix my inner corners. I'm trying to pack a lot of color. It was not intense enough, but I just managed to intensify it somehow. After struggling too much, I'm now adding pink in it. Yellow and pink together works very well and it does not look like a patch. It actually gives you a nice wash of color. And I'm taking a little bit of orange on the outer corners as well. And I'm just going to blend all of that. And I'm also extending my eye shape a bit. Here I'm blending it all together and just making sure everything looks nice and seamless. Keep blending, blending. I'm taking a warm color on towards on the deeper burgundy red from the Morphe Jacqueline Hill, and I'm just adding it on the outer corners. This just helps me to frame my eyes a little more than they are. I'm taking the shape tape again and I'm just adding on the center, I mean on the inner corners to give me that cut crease effect. I don't usually do this, but I've just started liking this. I'm just gonna do that. Yep. And then I'm fixing the same pink and just making sure I don't lose the intensity because I'm very much of a person who does not want to lose intensity on the eye makeup. I'm taking the glitter glue and the lid glitter and the Huda Beauty eyeshadow Mercury palette. I'm just taking a gold from that. I forgot the name, sorry. And I'm just going to pack that up. Then I added the glitter lit from the Lit Cosmetics. This is in the shade gold and I'm just pressing it with my flat brush. Make sure the brush is tiny enough and then don't ruin the eye makeup and keep it very precise and neat. Yeah, once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to move forward with blending it. Now I'm taking a paint pot in the color green and I've started doing the other eye. I'm just trying to create a nice wash of color because generally greens and blues they don't actually stay longer, so they need a base. So this was from the Kabuki collection. They had a paint pot in the tube form. I'm taking a blue and a green together now and I'll be mixing both and I'm gonna add it. Softly make sure you press the color in and let it be more intense. Yeah, once that's done, I'm adding a little bit of pink and purple on the outer corners, just like I did the burgundy on the other side. Then I did the golden eyes and I'm doing the glitter. And liner is done. Inglot liner with the MAC brush 209. Same thing I'm following on the lower lash line just to make sure the symmetry. Climax mascara and my drugstore lashes. Pinch me on the blush, making sure that I'm not going overbound. I love a lot of color on my cheeks and nose as well. You can see that clearly. Then I'm finding something. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's my highlighter from PAC. This is in the shade 8 or 6. I don't remember. Taking a flat brush from PAC itself. Blob of color. Too much. I'm just gonna blend it up. I'm making sure that I blend it. I'm adding it on my T-zone, cheeks, nose, apples of my cheeks. No, only on the high planes of the face where I want to highlight. I added a little bit highlight on the nose, cupid's bow, chin, forehead, surprisingly. I usually don't do that, but today I did it and I loved it as well. Yep, then I'm taking the lip pencil and the lipstick from MAC itself. I also added lip balm called Bang Bang, and this is a nude color from MAC. I actually lost the name of it, I'm so sorry, but it's a palest nude that you would ever want to see. Making sure that I fill the whole lip with this whole lip line or lipstick, and then I think I'm not happy with the color, I believe, and then I added the color Nars Get It On, my all-time favorite color. I'm obsessing over it. I added that and I actually changed the color a little bit. Here you can see that. Again, adding the color all over. I still feel the color looks a little fishy. Here I'm adding Laura Mercier powder. I forgot to add my lip pencil here and I'm doing it later, which took me a lot of time and I struggled a lot adding a lip pencil later. So always put the lip pencil first and then do the lipstick. Here also it worked for me, but I still found it worked. It went a little dry because I added powder to it. Always do the lip balm, lip pencil, then lipstick and powder, and again lipstick or a lip gloss. I'm now shaping my lips with the lip pencil, and then I added the lip gloss from Nars itself. Yeah, added. Oops, sorry. Here is it. Here is my final look. No, not yet. So I have something else also to do. In a corner, I'm highlighting it with the silver color with my pencil brush. Yeah, beaming high. Okay, I'm obsessed over my beauty now. Ignore my hand. Fix plus and I'll be. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this look. I had super fun. It was super fun for me doing this video for you. This was something very different and very edgy from what I generally do. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. Like, I have tried doing something really different. Don't judge my face, please. I just tried doing it, guys. I hope you all enjoy it. Thank you so much.